Hi, Alex Ferrero, Green Scene Home Inspections. Once again at home with your home inspector. So this is my friend Hudson. Here, don't pee in the pool. Once again, we're back by my pool. We have instructed the installers to go ahead and install these lights a little bit higher for concerns of safety. Now, one concern I have is this one little area of the wall where children will definitely jump from. Now, it will not be my daughters because they are angels, but I do have a nephew that is a complete savage, and I can only envision him jumping up and pulling that into the pool. So my question was, what is powering these lights? Okay, so let's flip you around. So we trace our lights. It turns out we have a soffit receptacle, okay? So under current building standards, you want your soffit, any exterior receptacles to be GFCI protected, okay? So it is wired correctly, but we have no GFCI protection, okay? So strike two on the electricians. Green Scene Home Inspections, get your homes inspected.